Hi there, I'm DK, and today I'd like to present to you the 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 185mm sliding mitre saw, the R185SMS-Li. There's also a soft start on the saw, which helps to prolong motor life. I should direct your attention to the polycarbonate blade guard. This is a new design which gives full visibility of the cutting line when in operation. The trench cutting facility has been greatly improved. This will assist you with those rebates. There's mounting holes on the left and the right of the base. This gives the option to mount the saw to a bench or even to use it on a mitre saw stand. The horizontal handle design allows for comfortable use. It's been designed with a soft grip handle and also features a safety trigger, which must be engaged to activate the saw. This saw uses shadow line technology. This is visible to assist you when making a cut and provides increased accuracy.